Morning everybody, it's Jerry again at M7 Speed 2018. We just wanted to show you the first build of the year here. We just finished it. We have a 2012 R60 Countryman all-wheel drive here. Customers from North Carolina. It's a nice car, white on white, black interior, 6-speed manual. So customer here, Frank, wanted to hop it up a little bit, brought it to M7 Speed. So it's your basic Countryman, white on white. It's got 107,000 miles on it, takes good care of it, lives up in the mountains here in North Carolina. Good car for him, all-wheel drive. So we did a ultimate build here. We'll show you what we got. We got the M7 Max Flow intake system, red elbow, M7 heat shield, M7 oil catch can over there. We did a Miltech cat delete pipe. It's got a stage 2 Manic tune on it. Factory exhaust, factory intercooler. It's got the M7 intercooler pipe system on it. See it down there, red? It's got all red on it, give it a little color flare. So it's a nice little car, goes pretty good, scoots pretty good. I mean, it's heavier than a regular Mini. And all-wheel drive kind of chews up some power, but it's a nice car. It's a nice car. Goes pretty good now. Probably putting down 215 at the wheels, 220 I'd say. But Ultimate Minis, that's what we build here. One more thing, he's got the M7 utility hitch on it. Nice looking piece, man. Fits right in there, see that? Bolts right up. Anyways, it's a nice car, scoots good. He's gonna be happy with it, picking it up here today. And you want a Mini, don't matter what it is, we can build it. Give us a shout. Jerry here at M7 Speed. Minis, that's all we do, all day, every day. Have a great 2018. Happy New Year. Out.